So today I'll be showing you how to display the refresh rate of your screen on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So this will have a little display here showing the actual refresh rate in real time of your tablet. So to enable that, you're going to have to go into developer options. So you want to go into settings. Under settings, scroll all the way down to about tablet, tap on that, and then go to software information, tap on that, and then under software information, you should see build number, tap on that 7 times, and then you may be asked for a password if you have one, and then you'll see this pop up, allow development settings. So tap OK, and that's going to enable developer options. So now to enter inside developer options, scroll down on the main settings page again, tap on developer options, and now you can scroll through your developer options and look for the option show refresh rate. So this option right here, enable it. And now as you can see, from now on, whenever you're using your tablet or when you're playing games, it's gonna always show the refresh rate. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.